In today's video, we'll be checking out our Jeep fifth wheel light. Stay tuned. Our fifth wheel light is compatible with TJ Wranglers, JK Wranglers, and the new JL Wranglers. It's also compatible with other vehicles that may have a fifth wheel, as long as it's a 5-lug pattern. So inside the box you get your fifth wheel light, mounting instructions, and an XKGLOW sticker. There are 2 bundles of wires coming out of the back of the fifth wheel light. One is for a trailer plug, and the other is for the reverse light. If the Jeep is equipped with the tow package, all you need to do is route the plug down and plug it in, and then just tap into the factory reverse wire to get the reverse setting. On vehicles that do not have a tow package, you can just cut the plug off and tap into the taillights. Alright, let's get this thing lit up. Alright, so here we have running light. There's your brake light. Then there's a sequential turn signal, so the left or the right half will sequence outward when the turn signal is activated. Here is running with reverse, and then just reverse. And that's it, there's our Jeep fifth wheel light. These are in stock and ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay up to date with XKGLOW. We'll see you next time.